I'm Jess and welcome to Jess Science. Today we're going to be looking at a balloon-powered plane. You don't need a lot to do this one, just some scissors, tape, string, straw, and a balloon. And if you want to make it a little bit easier for yourself to attach your course, you can use some bowl clips. Now for our balloon, if I blow it up, right now it is filled with air. But when I let go, the air inside is going to push out on our balloon. And it can go anywhere, and which is why we're using our straw and our string to do a little bit of a course for it and control its direction. Now, step one, we're going to cut a little piece of tape here and blow up our balloon. Just a little bit, and then take our straw and tape it to our balloon here. So I'll just tape it nice and securely like that. Deflate it slowly, making sure the tape stays on our straw. And again, just tighten it up there. Perfect. All right, then we're going to feed our string through the straw here. And just keep feeding it through until it comes out the other end. So a little bit more here. And then once you see it on the other end, you can start pulling it. Perfect, just like that. So we have got our straw and our balloon here. Now we're going to take one end and use the bowl clip, just clip it onto something. So I'm just clipping it on off camera here to a chair cover. Perfect. Now, when I pull the string nice and tight, we've got a bit of a course here. So, next step is to blow up that balloon. Pull the string nice and tight and let go. It managed to make it there. See if you can do yours and if it can get all the way to the end. If you can, feel free to make the string even longer and see if it can still do it. Next, you can work on modifying your design. Does it work better if you add more balloons? What happens if you add like cardboard airplane wings? See if you can do a creation that gets it to go really far very quickly. And that's been Jess Science. Thanks for joining me. Bye!